I think once upon a time Melbourne was one of the busiest ports in the world with the gold rush going on.
Those hectic days are long gone, and today at least the classic cruiser Birrarung is queen of the Yarra.
Magnificent vessel.
Come on board.
Thank you very much.
Shipwright Ferdi Darley built Birrarung from the waterline up. In fact, his fingerprints are all over Melbourne's most precious vessels, including the tall ship Enterprise.
Feel like going back in time though when you're working on something like that, like the old days?
Always, always, yes.
For 30 years, this Melbourne father has honed his extraordinary boat building skills, his work featuring in big budget Hollywood films. Ferdi worked on 2 replica tall ships for Ridley Scott's Christopher Columbus biopic and sailed them to Costa Rica. He built 3 square riggers for the film Cutthroat Island with Gina Davis. Ferdi went smaller for Saving Private Ryan. But this is where his heart is.
That's the overwhelming thing, is the size of this. The Hollywood side is enormous.
Preserving our precious Polly Woodside, a priority for Ferdi. He recently replaced her rotting masts.
Those lower yards, they weigh 1.2 tonnes each without any canvas on them.
But it's the Alma Doepel which has needed Ferdi's skills the most. The 118-year-old tall ship is undergoing a $4 million restoration at Docklands.
She's been completely rebuilt, new stem, new stern, new rudder.
150 volunteers have devoted the last 12 years to helping him restore the historic schooner.
All those people gave so much and they want to see it finished, and we're going to do it. We use it for sail training for young people. It's essential now that students have too much screen time.
The volunteers seeking another $1.3 million in donations to finally finish this precious piece of local history.
It'll be a great thing for Melbourne to have her back in the water again.
I agree.